Are you looking for the best tire repair kit with a compressor, or maybe you are just looking for a universal and general tire repair kit? Then this article is for you. We will show the best in the market professional tire repair kit, including plug kit for tires. There are many products available to choose tire repair kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tire repair kit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tire Repair Universal Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. The Tulux 50,000 2 liters Universal Tire Repair Kit is one of the best tire repair kits with a compressor. It is a one-dimensional but well-designed kit that can efficiently fix flat tires. This plug kit for tires comes with only 4 tools that can be effectively used in an emergency state. Though the tools are few, they are the ones that really matter in quickly fixing a tire, even if it's for provisional use. This professional tire repair kit is easy to use, but comes with no set of instructions, making it tricky for novices to use. This kit can be used for different tubeless vehicles, regardless of its minimum number of tools. The quality of materials used in constructing these tools is first-rate, made of hardened sandblasted steel, making them ideal for use on heavy-duty vehicles. Number 2. Boulder Tools Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit for Car. The Boulder Tools Repair Kit features an extensive number of tools that are all ideal for use on any automobile. This plug kit for tires comes with a total of 56 pieces, which can be used on any tire repair job. This best tire repair kit contains all that you will require to repair any problems connected to a puncture or flat tire. With this professional tire plug kit, you can be able to plug up the puncture completely and use it for a long time, thereby helping you save money on replacing a new tire. This plug kit for tires features a set of easy-to-follow instructions that even go with pictures for illustration. The tools are built in such a way that facilitates easy handling. This professional tire repair kit is suitable for use on all vehicles, particularly heavy-duty vehicles, as long as it has tubeless tires. The tools are properly constructed with solid materials so they can be used on larger or thicker tires. They are also durable. Number 3. Betoll 67 PC Tire Repair Kit. The Betoll is one best tire plug kit that comes with lots of first-rate tools that can be used on any automobile. This kit is among the list of patch kits for tires that contains many tools consisting of 67 pieces that can easily repair any puncture or hole in the tire. Also, the tools are very durable because they are produced using sandblasted materials. This professional tire plug kit can be used to fix a flat tire on any vehicle, including cars, ATV, trucks, motorcycles, automobiles, and others. This best tire repair kit comes with a clear instruction manual direct you. This plug kit for tires features 1-piece long deflation valve, 1 piece of spiral probe T-handle, 1 piece of insert tool T-handle, 1 piece of a valve core tool, 1 piece lubricant jar, 4-piece black valve extenders made of plastic. Number 4. Coming 5th on our patch kits for tires is the Submittable 2733 Tire Repair Kit, which is a superb plug kit for tires that comes in a compact container. This professional tire repair kit comes with few but necessary tools that allow you to speedily fix a flat tire. One vital feature in this kit is the accurate dual-headed tire pressure gauge, making it one of the best tire repair kits. After fixing the tire, this pressure gauge allows you to check whether the puncture has been fixed. However, this kit doesn't include lubricant, meaning you may have a tough time with the reamer used. In terms of usability, this plug kit for tires is easy to use. Since it doesn't include many tools, it is easier for you to identify which to use for every given area, coupled with the fact that it comes with comprehensible instructions. This professional tire plug kit can appropriately be used on most vehicle tires, particularly a truck or similar vehicle. The tools in this kit are durable and can be used for a long time. Number 5. ARB Speedy Seal Tire Repair Kit Puncture Repair Kit. The ARB Orange Speedy Seal Tire Repair Kit is among the list of best patch kits for tires when taking versatility into consideration, since it is ideal for use on different automobiles. This plug kit for tires is quite resourceful in repairing lots of vehicle tires, making it one best tire plug kit available on the market. This professional tire plug kit may appear simple, but it features the necessary tools required to repair a tire. This plug kit for tires also comes with a tire pressure gauge, which enables you to check if the tire pressure after repairing the puncture. However, this kit is expensive considering the number of tools it contains. This best tire plug kit is comparatively easy to use since it contains the exact tools for fixing the repair, accompanied by understandable instructions. In terms of versatility, this plug kit for tires can work well for repairing any form of tubeless vehicle. The tools in this best tire repair kit are manufactured using premium materials and are durable. Pros: good number of tools, resilient tools, easy usage, can be used on different vehicles. Cons: it is costly, the case quality is low. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.